Hello there, this is Oscar and I'm back making videos. And well, it's been a while since the last video that I made, and this is because I decided to take a small short break in the summer. And well, I did other things and I'm going to tell you about these things, but before I wanted to say hello to Matt from Florida, because he's helping a lot with my English, having very interesting conversations. So hello Matt from Florida. And well, like I said before, I did some interesting things in this summer. For example, I was on vacation in Switzerland, thanks to a very good friend of mine that I lived in her house for the days that I spent on Switzerland. And also she was very nice because and kind, because she helped me to understand, to know a little more of the culture of the country, and what places to visit, what places are more interesting to visit. So it was a lot of fun, and also I learned some expressions in Swiss German, that is a dialect that is quite close to German. For example, I learned to say hello, that is Grüezi. I think I am pronouncing it correctly, but anyway, if I'm not, I beg your pardon. So what else? Yes, well, when you travel to a different country, and then you can see the differences and you can compare how the things are done in your country and how the things are done in the country that you are visiting. So it's very interesting because you have to switch a little your brain, because you have to adapt yourself to the country that you are visiting. So this is what I tried to do. And of course you can see, for example, that in Switzerland people are more clean, they don't throw papers in the parks, this kind of thing. So here in Spain it's different. It's when you you go around, walk a little in, I don't know, in the cities, you can see that not always is clean. But I think it's different cultures with good things and bad things. Another thing that I did, of course, is continuing with my English. I think it has improved, but you know that when you are learning something, in this case it's a language, you, at least it's my case, that I am always to be better. I want to improve more and more. So because I want to be very comfortable with most of the situations. Sometimes when I am speaking English, I need more vocabulary, and you know, sometimes you make grammar mistakes, and I want to achieve the level that without being perfect, you're very relaxed and comfortable, and then you can speak about, you can talk about different topics, very different topics, politics, I don't know, climate change, computers, to have a very good foundations in the on the language. So this is my goal. And also because maybe someday I want to teach in English, or teach English maybe 2 years, 3 years, I don't know. I'm not planning to do it, but it's an idea that is in my mind. Okay, so what else? Yes, I yes. By the way, I got very interesting messages in the summer from the subscribers or people that have watched my videos, and it's very interesting because I got messages asking, please do more videos in English because I don't understand Spanish, and this video is in English. But the point is that yes, I can do videos in English, but I'm not comfortable enough to talk about the topics that I want to talk. So sometimes I have to struggle to express an idea, and I think it's not very interesting for the people that are watching me, because maybe they want to learn Spanish, and if I can speak Spanish because I am native, then maybe they can learn Spanish, or maybe my ideas can be more interesting if I can explain them effortlessly. Anyway, I'm going to make more videos in English, but from time to time, not all the time. Of course, I'm going to make more videos in Spanish and some videos in Catalan. Why not? Because I have seen that some people are interested in Catalan, and I think it's something that I am proud of, because Catalan is not very known around the world, and I think that well, that if I make videos in Catalan and someone is interested in, then I will make more videos in Catalan. Why not? So I think that that's it. It's pretty much what I wanted to tell you about what I did in the summer and what are my plans. I wanted to make the video in English. I don't know exactly why, but let's do it in English. So this is a way to record my current level in English, and then I can compare it 1 year later, and I can see if I am improving a lot, just a little, or I remain steady. I don't know. So okay, so I think that's it, and please, if you want to make some comments, I'm glad to get it, to get comments, I mean. So that's it, and see you soon. Bye for now.